Autumn can be a beautiful time of the year as trees are dropping their leaves and you have this beautiful leaf litter. So leaves normally obviously a green colour due to chlorophyll, but then when chlorophyll is broken down and recycled by the plant, you can then see the carotenoids, these yellow and orange colours that are always present but usually hidden. And then in some plants the sugars produce anthocyanins, which produce a beautiful red colour. And then when the leaves die, the tannins and the cell walls mean that they go brown. And then obviously these drop down to provide this leaf litter, and leaf litter is important for a number of different reasons. If leaf litter is coarse, over 2 centimetres, we call it coarse litter. And then this is broken down first of all by millipedes and worms, and then after that it's broken down largely by bacteria and fungi. So some nice fungi here, and fungi excrete digestive enzymes which break down the leaf litter and then they reabsorb those. And bacteria also are extremely important for this disintegration process. So leaf litter has a number of key roles. It regulates the temperature by the fact that there's this great thick layer sort of acting as a bit of a blanket, means that the cold weather, etc., affects the soil a lot less. It acts as protection from rainfall. So if there's heavy rain coming down here, there's this mat, and then it sort of dribbles down rather than causing damage to the soil and breaking up the soil particles on the surface. It, of course, releases the nutrients, so the nitrogen and phosphate and potassium from the plants is broken down and then it can be recycled and is then reused by the plants. And of course it's an important habitat, so if you sift through this you find all sorts of species living in this habitat. So leaf litter occurs across the world and across all habitats. It's particularly common in woods because of the enormous amount of leaves that plants produce, that trees produce, compared to, say, grasslands. In tropical areas it breaks down very quickly, whereas in boreal forests it breaks down much more slowly. And so there's a big thick layer in boreal forests. And how fast it breaks down depends on how rich it is in nitrogen and how much lignin there is. This here is beech, and beech trees extract a lot of the nitrogen and they've got a lot of lignin in them. So beech litter tends to persist for longer than most other sources of litter. So leaf litter is an important habitat that has a number of important ecological roles.